I can just press this and this will turn off. Press this to turn on. Off. Yo, what's up guys? Now I will unbox this IKEA Smart Outlet with a on-off button. This is 1990. Let's go! Here we have the switch. This is on, this is off.
This is the metal backplate with the 3M adhesive.
So you can put this anywhere in your house, then this switch will stick to it. Just like that. Okay, so we have the outlet itself. Now I'll put this battery in. Okay, so now that the battery is in, I'll need to set up this switch first. So I think the first step is to connect your button switch to the IKEA gateway. Here I have my IKEA app. So I'll just click here. I'll see this is the list of my devices. Then simple, I'll just add a new device. Then I'll go to remote and sensor. On-off switch / dimmer. So I've done this step. I've put the battery in. You do a quick reset by pressing this button 4 times. Okay, next. So the next step is press and hold this button within 2 cm of the gateway. So my gateway is here. 2 cm. Oh, that's the light. 2 cm. So press and hold. Oh, it's blinking. Oh, device found. Please wait for a moment for confirmation. Yep, on-off switch dimmer found. Perfect. Yay. Step 1 is done. This is now synced to my gateway. Okay, now we need to use this to connect our outlet to the gateway. So the next step will be to connect this to a power outlet. Okay. You can see there's the light there, right there. Okay. So I'll add a new device. Right now I'll go to the outlet. This is the outlet. Next. So I'll use my on-off switch dimmer. So the thing about this outlet is that you need a control device to connect the outlet to the gateway. I think it's not stated very clearly in the box itself, so do take note of that. To connect my outlet to the gateway, I'll have to use this on-off switch to do that. So the first thing I have to do is to position the on-off switch within 2 cm of the control outlet, then hold this button for at least 10 seconds. Alright, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, device found. It's easy. It's easy. Yep. Okay. And we are done. This is on. This is off. On. Off. Yay, now I'll put this back and I'll try to connect my fan and show you how you can use it. Right now I have connected my IKEA outlet to my fan, as you can see here. Now it's currently off. So as you can see, even though it's supposedly in speed 1, but right now it's not on. So what this outlet can do right now is that my fan can be now controlled using this button. So by pressing this, the fan is on. Yay! Off. Now it's off. Now it cut off the power to the fan. On. Yay! off. So now when I'm sleeping on the bed, if I feel that it is too cold or too hot, I can use this on-off button. On. This is magnetic actually, so it can be put at any metal surface. I can just press this and this will turn off. I should also show you that this can be also connected to my Apple HomeKit. This is currently the outlet, so I can use my phone to control as well. I can also add in automation, so when I leave the house, this outlet will automatically off for me. Off. And on.
I've come to the end of the setup. Hope you guys learned something, and I will continue to make more smart home automation tutorial like this. So please like, subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.
Supposedly in speed 1, but it's not right. But right now it's not on. But right now it's not on. So